Have you ever denied the Lord? Not with words, but with silence, when you should have spoken up. Not with hatred, but with indifference. When you should have loved. Not with rebellion, but with fear. When you should have trusted. We often say we love God, yet in moments of weakness, we drift away from Him without even realizing it. And then, one day, we hear the rooster crow within our soul, a sound that reminds us, we too have once denied love itself. Truly I tell you, before the rooster crows today, you will deny me 3 times. Luke 22:61. That night, in the courtyard of the high priest, the firelight flickered upon Peter's face. A servant girl came close and said, "You were with Jesus, weren't you?" Peter lowered his head. "I don't know the man." 3 times he denied, the one he once swore he would never leave. Then a rooster crowed. The sound pierced the night, awakening his trembling soul. And Jesus turned and looked at him, not with anger, not with judgment, but with mercy. That look seemed to say, "Peter, I know your weakness, and still I love you." Peter broke down in tears. He went out and wept bitterly. Those tears were not the end, but the beginning of a heart reborn through the power of forgiveness and love. Brothers and sisters, we are all like Peter. We've been weak, we've been afraid, we've turned away when we should have stood firm. Yet the same gaze, that look of mercy, still finds us today. Not to condemn, but to love. The Lord still whispers to us, "Do not be afraid, only believe." Mark 5:36. So today, if you are weary, if you feel unworthy, if you sense that you've drifted far from God, remember this. He has never left you. Even when you forget Him, He remembers you. Every moment, every breath. Jesus didn't only forgive Peter, He forgives you too. Because the love of God never denies you. Never. Amen.